Hi everyone, my name is Olga and this is my colleague Ranee. We are student rights officers at Monash University. We cover also Peninsula, Berwick and Parkville. Today we are going to talk to you about academic progress and exclusion. So you're probably wondering at this point of time, why have I been sent this letter? Monash is considered you may not be on a path to complete your course. Also to make you aware of the support services available at Monash. Just be mindful that this is not a punishment, this is an early intervention. The goal is not to exclude students, but to help students to complete their degrees. Unsatisfactory academic progress usually is considered if you have passed 50% or less of your enrollment, failed the same compulsory subject twice, you have not met the previous APC conditions, you failed a placement, or you were unable to obtain police or other authority check, or you've completed at least 2/3 of your course, but you've passed only 50% of your enrollment.
So what happens next? Now that you've received this letter, it's asking you to explain to your faculty why you shouldn't be excluded from your course. After you submit this response, you may be asked to appear in person in front of your faculty's Academic Progress Committee. Failure to respond may result in exclusion with no right or appeal. Most students who do respond will go through a process with only some being excluded at the end. A well-prepared letter can reduce your likelihood of a hearing, which is a much preferable outcome for students. Just to discuss course discontinuation, in some cases students may decide to discontinue from their course after receiving the notice of referral and hearing. This can be done either by indicating this decision on your response form, or if unsure, you can discontinue up to the day of a hearing if you're requested to attend one. You have the opportunity to present your case to a committee before making a decision to discontinue. If unsure, if considering withdrawing and unsure about whether you have the opportunity to do this now or a much later time, please speak to a student rights officer on the day of a hearing if one is scheduled, to get clear on what your options are at each point in time.